is not something you have to chase. It is something you become ready to receive. I will guide you through a series of powerful affirmations that will help you manifest deep, meaningful, and lasting love into your life. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and allow yourself to simply receive. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly release through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. I am worthy of deep and unconditional love. Love flows to me naturally and effortlessly. I am open to giving and receiving love fully. My heart is open and ready for a deep connection. I release all past hurt and open myself to new love. I attract loving, kind, and genuine people into my life. I deserve a relationship that is built on trust, respect, and deep affection. Love finds me because I am love. I am ready to share my life with someone who truly sees me. I attract a partner who matches my energy and elevates my spirit. I am magnetic to deep and meaningful connection. Every day, I become more open to the love that is coming to me. I love myself completely, and that love attracts more love. I am grateful for all the love that already exists in my life. I trust that the right connection is on its way to me now. Love is my natural state, and I welcome it fully. I am deserving of a love that feels like home. My heart is safe. And my love is powerful. I call in a connection that is deep, real, and lasting. What is meant for me in love will never miss me. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And slowly release through your mouth. Breathe in and let it go. You are so deserving of the love you seek. It is already finding its way to you.